Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best food processor parts is probably one of the most used kitchen appliances, making everything from chopping vegetables to mixing dough a breeze. But what happens when a crucial part breaks or wears out? That's where replacement parts come in, ensuring your food processor continues to perform at its best. In this video, we'll explore the world of food processor replacement parts, helping you keep your appliance running smoothly. Number 5. Cuisinart DLC-039ATX1 Replacement Stem. This is an OEM-authorized part, ensuring the quality and compatibility you expect. It's designed specifically for your Cuisinart food processor. This replacement stem is compatible with several Cuisinart models. It's a versatile part designed to fit various machines. The part number is DLC-039ATX1, so you can easily identify it. This part is made to the original manufacturer's specifications. It fits models 3066, 3067, 3093, 3094, 3111, 3112, KF140, and KF227. Make sure it's the right fit for your machine. This replacement stem is manufactured in the United States. You can trust the quality and durability of this part. What we like? This replacement stem is an OEM-authorized part, ensuring a perfect fit and function. It's designed to fit multiple Cuisinart models, making it a versatile choice. If you have a Cuisinart food processor from the compatible models, this stem will restore your machine's performance, so you can get back to your food preparation tasks. What people say? The replacement parts fit perfectly. The product works exactly as described. The parts are easy to install. Number 4. Cuisinart DFP14 Replacement Work Bowl Cover. Introducing the replacement work bowl cover for your Cuisinart DFP14 food processor. This cover is designed to fit perfectly and enhance your food preparation experience. This cover is compatible with DFP14, DFP14BCHN, DFP14BCN, DFP14BCNR, DFP14BCNY, DFP14BCWN, DFP14BKSY, DFP14BWN, and DFP14CPY models. Make sure it fits your model. Please note, this cover requires the DLC-005A-GTXT1 work bowl to function correctly. If your current bowl doesn't match, you'll need a new one to avoid gaps. It fits the specified food processor models perfectly, providing convenience and reliability. It's designed for a secure fit and dependable performance. The cover is made from BPA-free materials, ensuring your food remains safe and healthy. You can use it with confidence knowing it's designed with your health in mind. What we like? This work bowl cover is made from BPA-free materials, ensuring your food stays safe. It's designed for precise model compatibility, guaranteeing a perfect fit. If you are looking for a replacement cover for your DFP14 model, this cover will provide a secure and reliable seal, enhancing your food processing experience. What people say? It fits perfectly and saved me a lot of money by not replacing my whole unit. This one fits perfectly so I can use my food processor again. Perfect replacement, fits as expected, quality seems equivalent to original. Number 3. Cuisinart DLC-001TXB CSR Chopping Blade. Are you looking for a replacement blade for your Cuisinart food processor? This is the perfect solution. It's designed specifically for certain models. This blade fits models DFP14, DLC 2014, and MP14. Please note that it is not compatible with other models, even if they look similar. Make sure this is the right one for your machine. This blade is designed for efficient chopping and processing. It will help you prepare ingredients quickly and easily. Get ready to create your favorite recipes. The blade is made from BPA-free materials. This ensures safe and healthy food processing. You can use it with confidence. Replacing your old blade is simple. It will restore the functionality of your food processor. Enjoy the convenience of a sharp, efficient blade. What we like? This stainless steel chopping blade is designed for efficient chopping. It's made from BPA-free material, ensuring your food remains safe. If you like preparing ingredients quickly and efficiently, this blade will make food preparation a breeze, perfect for everyday cooking and meal prep. What people say? This replaced my old food processor blade. Sharper than the old, fast. It fits. I didn't realize how dull the old blade was until the new one arrived. Very nice. It fits and works perfectly. Number 2. Cuisinart FP13DPA Pusher Assembly. Are you in need of a replacement pusher assembly for your Cuisinart food processor? This is the perfect solution. It's designed to fit specific models, ensuring a seamless replacement. This pusher assembly is designed for Cuisinart FP13DGM, FP13DSV, and SFP13 models only. Even if it looks similar, it won't fit if you don't have one of these models. Make sure to check your model number before purchasing. This replacement part is exclusively for the mentioned Cuisinart models. It's important to confirm that your food processor model matches the specifications to ensure proper functionality. This pusher assembly is made from BPA-free materials. You can use it with confidence, knowing that it's safe for you and your family. This is an original equipment manufacturer, OEM, part from Cuisinart. This guarantees perfect compatibility and high-quality performance. You can trust it to work just like the original. What we like. This pusher assembly is an OEM part, guaranteeing perfect compatibility and high-quality performance. It's made from BPA-free materials, ensuring safety. If you have one of the specified Cuisinart models, this pusher assembly will restore your food processor's functionality, allowing you to continue enjoying your favorite recipes. What people say. Fits my Cuisinart perfectly with no problems. It fits perfectly. Exact replacement and works as advertised. Number 1. Cuisinart AFP7WB Replacement Work Bowl. Is your food processor work bowl damaged? This replacement work bowl is designed to fit multiple Cuisinart models. It's a genuine OEM part, ensuring perfect compatibility and performance. This work bowl is compatible with a variety of Cuisinart models. It includes BFP 603, BFP 650, BFP 703, and more. Make sure it fits your model before purchasing. This is an original equipment manufacturer, OEM, replacement part. This means it's made to the exact specifications of the original. It guarantees a perfect fit and optimal functionality. This work bowl is particularly suitable for CBT 500FP and BFP 703 models. If you own either of these, this is the ideal replacement. It will restore your food processor's full capabilities. Replace your damaged work bowl and get back to food preparation. This replacement will bring your food processor back to life. Enjoy the convenience of a fully functional appliance again. What we like. This replacement work bowl is an OEM part, ensuring a perfect fit and function. It's compatible with multiple Cuisinart models, making it a versatile choice. If you are looking for a replacement bowl for your Cuisinart food processor, it will restore your machine's performance, so you can get back to your food preparation tasks. What people say. Absolutely delighted with this purchase. Made a ground lamb dish with my renewed food processor the day it delivered. Yes, the blender fine chops lamb. Fits fairly well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.